In SIRIM Academy, our goal by 2030 is to become a globally recognized brand specializing in industry-driven training, consultancy, standard and developments, and sustainability reporting. That's the goal of SIRIM Academy towards 2030. In terms of training, consultation, and standard developments, as well as sustainability reporting, I believe that we need to do something for us, especially on training and consultation, whereby all our revenue actually generated from training and consultancy, but portions come from our standard developments as well as technology. Out there, we have 7,000 training providers that provide the same training like us, training, consultancy. But in our case, we have specialty a bit compared to the rest because we have another activity, we call it standard developments. So this is our future focus for us to develop standards. Then during the standard developments, we can use the standard for us to carry out training and consultancy as well. In SIRIM, we have numbers of technology centers that we can utilize them to provide training through SIRIM Academy. So in other words, SIRIM Academy would be one-stop center for trainings and consultancy on behalf of SIRIM Berhad. But in terms of center, we have Smart Manufacturing Center under SIRIM IR. We have Life Science Center, still under SIRIM IR. We have RASA, another foundry and machining center under SIRIM IR. So this center is normally for foundry as well as machine learning center. So this is located in RASA, somewhere in Kuala Kubu Baru. SIRIM, we have the whole ecosystem as well for ESG. We have standard development, we have training center for ESG. We have number of consultants that provide ESG training, including reporting. We have our brothers company, which is SIRIM QS, which can provide verification on ESG as well. Our next step, as kita adalah terima mandates from government, dan kita also ada MITI, one of agency under MITI. So our focus should be to enhance industry for export markets. As SIRIM Academy, we really have to focus on how we should develop capacity building for organizations that be able to penetrate overseas markets. At SIRIM Academy, we just come up with a new program, we call it TVET program. TVET program we design in such a way because our competency, our specialized in quality. So we introduce what we call it TVET program, PAPPT for quality control. This is how we upskill operators level, technician level to meet certain requirement to be semi-skilled or full skill workforce. After complete our programs, which we have 3 days training program, and then we have to sit for exam by JPK. So when you have passed the exam, so JPK will issue the certificates. That was a level equal to SKM level 3. We have another IEEE certified auditors. This is program that we venture between SIRIM Academy and United States. So the anchor one is IEEE in United States. So we are licensed for arrange this training in Malaysia. But we have to be collaborated with IEEE associations. So we launched the program last year. So the demand is very good. So we are also recognized by Kementerian Sains to run these programs. 30 to 40 packs that enroll our programs, IEEE. But our target actually for 200 by 2030. This year also we just offer our new standards like ISO 42001 for AI management systems, and then we have ISO 56000 for innovation management system. By offering this kind of new standards scheme or program or product, will attract more industry to participate and to gain awareness for these new standards. We also have program like ISO 17025 in Timor-Leste. That's what I mentioned about expanding our footprint, so that people will recognize, we know about our presence in Malaysia as well as international level. We have halal program. We collaborate with JAKIM, and then we formulate the program that we can offer to others, not only in Malaysia but at international level. In technology section, we have 2 splits program. One for TVET program, another one for technology training program. So for technology training program, we have I4.0, digitalization, smart manufacturing, and so on. So that one's focused on information technology. Then we call it as a homegrown program. We call it SPCP, SIRIM Personal Certification Program. We design from our existing programs for standard-based management system like ISO 9001, 14,000, 41,000, 22,000, and so on. So the program based on that standards, then we make it very certified to that particular standards. For example, we have hazard analysis critical control point, that one system for food safety. And then from that standard, we design a program, we call it certified HACCP internal auditors by referring to the standard. So we keep doing this thing for all the standards that we have numbers of standards. So we craft the certified program for that particular standards. Our program now is certified to ISO 17024. For example, we have 5S standard, we have SIRIM 6. That standard is developed by our own. We call it Green 5S. SIRIM 6 stands for Green 5S. That standard we use to develop SPCP for Green 5S program. SIRIM Academy need to enhance our capability of delivering training using technology. For example, like e-learning, AI, those things that we have to craft or to facilitate easy trainings in the future.